It is now day 13 and our starter is looking really good and bubbly and it's smelling much better. We have a 2 times double, 2x double, at least 2, probably 2.5. And it's looking really bubbly and active. It smells, again, it smells sweet. It smells like sourdough. This is good because we're hoping to be able to bake with it after tomorrow. I'm going to stir it up really well. Tare my scale and measure out 5 grams of the starter base. I'm going to save my discard into my freezer bowl that I've been using for the past few days. Add the 5 grams of starter back to your jar. And we're going to increase the feed today. I want to take it up to 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour, and this is really going to beef up our starter for tomorrow. It should look really good tonight after all this. If you haven't yet, mark your jar with either a marker or like a Sharpie or a rubber band, or you can tie a string around it. Whatever you got, mark it with a piece of tape. Okay, mix this up really well. And then after it's all stirred up, we're going to recover and set it out of direct sunlight. And I will see you guys in 12 hours for the next feed.